Welcome to Tech Spectrum, where we review the top tech gadgets. In this video, we will be going over the top 5 tenkeyless keyboards. Number 5. Best Budget Keyboard, Tecware Phantom. The Tecware Phantom is our pick as the best budget tenkeyless keyboard. The keyboard features a floating keys design that lets the LEDs reflect the surface for a more lively display. Dirt and dust can also be easily removed, quickening the cleaning process. It has fully customizable RGB backlighting with 18 preset lighting modes on the fly, or you can create your own unique configurations with 16.8 million per keys RGBs. Spectrum Selection mode also gives you quick single color selection presented in a palette of colors. The keyboard has modular mechanical switches that can be removed for quick and easy maintenance. It's equipped with Otemu mechanical switches, available in 3 different variants: Otemu Blue, Otemu Brown, and Otemu Red. The switches can be easily swapped or replaced without any fuss. Tools and spare switches come included. You can use the default double-shot ABS keycaps or experiment with different keycaps and covers to create a whole new look for the keyboard. Optional accessories include a Phantom Shroud magnetic frame cover and PBT keycap sets. Combine various keycap sets to create your very own personalized keyboard. The keyboard has 11 multimedia keys that are double mapped to the function row to save space and keep the keyboard compact. The full N-key rollover and 1000 Hz polling rate allow for a faster and smoother gaming experience. The keyboard is wired and comes with a braided USB 2.0 cable. The dedicated Tecware software lets you record macros, customize RGB, and create profiles. If you're looking for a budget keyboard with loads of features, the Tecware Phantom is a great choice. Number 4. Best Wireless Keyboard, Keychron K8. The Keychron K8 is our selection as the best wireless tenkeyless keyboard. The wireless keyboard features the latest Bluetooth 5.1 support and can connect up to 3 devices and switch among them easily. It can also be connected and used with a USB-C wired connection. It has a hot swappable option that comes with Gateron switches that can be easily swapped. You'll never need to buy an entirely new keyboard just to test different switches. The Gateron switches come in Gateron Red, Gateron Blue, and Gateron Brown switch options. The Keychron optical switches with ultra-low latency is also offered for hardcore gamers looking for millisecond reaction times. The keyboard comes in white backlight or RGB backlight options. Both backlight options have over 15 types of customizations. The 4000 mAh battery lasts up to 240 hours with the backlight off. The keyboard has a unique Mac layout that provides all necessary Mac function keys while still being compatible with Windows. Dedicated Siri and Cortana keys make it easy for you to access the smart assistants. Extra keycaps for both Windows and Mac keys are included with the keyboard. The multimedia key are double mapped to the function row, and the keyboard features N-key rollover in wired mode and 6-key rollover in wireless mode. If you're looking for a great performing wireless option, take a look at the Keychron K8. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3. Best Gaming Keyboard, HyperX Alloy Origins Core. The HyperX Alloy Origins Core is our pick as the best tenkeyless keyboard for gaming. The keyboard features a full aircraft-grade aluminum body that keeps it structurally sound and stable when the action gets intense and the game hangs in the balance. Its slick form factor gives you more space for rapid mouse movements, especially when desk space is at a premium and too tight for a full-sized keyboard. The keyboard is wired and comes with a detachable USB-C cable, so it's easy to take on the go. The multimedia keys are double mapped to the function row to save as much space as possible. It uses HyperX mechanical switches that are custom designed to a balance of responsiveness and accuracy, with short travel time and low actuation force. The switches features an exposed LED for brighter, more luminous RGB backlighting. 3 onboard profiles are available for you to save your own custom-designed light shows with a per-key RGB. The keyboard features a game mode, so you're not accidentally taking yourself out of the game in key moments. 100% anti-ghosting, and N-key rollover to ensure that all your key presses register. Use the HyperX Ingenuity software to customize game mode, control RGB lighting, and set up your own macros. If you're looking for a tenkeyless keyboard jam-packed with gaming features, the HyperX Alloy Origins core will suit your needs. Number 2. Runner-up. Logitech G915 TKL. The Logitech G915 TKL is the runner-up on this list. The G915 TKL is nearly identical to the full-sized G915 Lightspeed, but saves horizontal desk space by removing the numpad and G macro keys found on its larger counterpart, giving you more surface area for your mouse. The keyboard has soft media keys and a ribbed volume wheel. It also has the ability to switch between multiple PCs with ease. Using the Lightspeed feature, it can be connected via Bluetooth or wireless. Logitech also includes a macro USB cable for wired use. The keyboard is tapped with brushed aluminum, which gives it a premium feel. It doesn't include a wrist rest or USB pass-through because of its slim size. The G915 TKL uses low-profile Logitech GL Linear, GL Tactile, or GL Clicky switches, which are actually variants of K-Low profile chalk switches. The battery lasts 40 hours at 100% brightness and can be fully recharged in just under 4 hours. Logitech G-Hub software can be used to program the keyboard. Light-synced RGB customizations are also available within the software. If desk space is at a premium and a small form factor appeals to you, the Logitech G915 TKL is a fine option. Before we continue, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with the latest product reviews. And check out the links in the description to support the channel. Number 1. Best Overall Keyboard. RealForce R2 PFU Limited Edition. The RealForce RU PFU Limited Edition tops our list as the best overall tenkeyless keyboard. Each keyboard is handmade with famous Japanese build quality, making this a lifetime investment. The keyboard features an ergonomic form factor with a step sculpture design that allows for smooth movement across keys and comfortable typing over long periods of time. The keyboard features Topra key switches that are a hybrid between a mechanical spring-based switch, a rubber dome switch, and a capacitive sensor. It has PBT keycaps that are made from top-grade PBT for a silky, matte finish. The keys are printed with dye-sublimated legends that will never wear off. Each Topra key switch can also be customized to meet your needs. The Topra silent keys are designed to reduce the sound of your typing with no loss of feel or response. You can also customize your key actuation point using the actuation point changer to switch from lighting fast for gaming to standard speed for accuracy in everyday typing to make it up to 25% faster than competing mechanical keyboards. It has a 45-gram keystroke that's highly responsive with a great tactical feel. It also features full N-key rollover that can keep up with any number or keystrokes, so you can type as fast as you can. The keyboard is wired and uses a USB 2.0 cable. 3-direction cable management lets you route the cable out of the top, left, or right of the keyboard for practical use. If you're looking for a premium tenkeyless experience, look no further than the RealForce R2 PFU Limited Edition. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video for more product reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.